Select Add Photo Match View from the pop-up menu. You now have a reference box to align the model to the photo's perspective. Now load a high-quality photo. Adjust the perspective to match the objects in the photo. Identify two planes which are orthogonal to each other. Correctly align each plane's vanishing lines. You can verify the perspective by checking the horizon line and its perpendicular axis. The reference box perspective planes and adjusting its dimensions. Confirm the perspective view. The model is now inserted with the same perspective as the photo. Now position the model within the photo. Pan around by keeping the scroll button pressed. Zoom using the scroll wheel. Rotate the model with the right mouse button. And for correct positioning you can use 90-degree rotations. Visibility and transparency options. Different zoom levels. Now lock the model's position. Activate shadows to get an even more realistic effect. Launch the rendering process to obtain your final high-quality image.